Hello there, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Chine Obi, and today we'll be discussing about a type of contraception known as the withdrawal method. Yes, so today I want to talk a bit about this withdrawal method because I get to hear people telling you that yes, our withdrawal method is perfect, it's all that. But hear me today. If you've been using the withdrawal method and it's been going on pretty well for you, you are just being very lucky, because the withdrawal method, it's not 100% effective, and it takes a whole lot of skill, it takes discipline, and it takes practice to be able to do this and do it well and be safe. Why do I say this? It takes discipline because at the time when the man withdraws is actually at the peak, at the climax of that sexual intercourse episode. At that time when he is to ejaculate, which is like the climax, he tends to withdraw. It only takes a man who is disciplined to be able to do this and do it well. Practice in that. It said that yes, practice makes perfect. So the more you do it repeatedly, the better you be or become at it. That is the practice in it. So, and another thing is, because it is not as effective as it is advised that if you are using the withdrawal method, you should have a backup plan. Like you should have a plan B, for just in case. Either you have your contraceptive pills on or your daily pills on, just in case, to play safe, because you might have missed, or the man might have missed. There are some men whom their pre-com is also fertile. That means that's the fluid that comes out first before the man ejaculates. Yes, some men, those that their pre-com actually contains for some men it is just fluid, while some men that pre-com is also very fertile. So, and you know, definitely the pre-com has already gone into the woman before the man ejaculates. That is why it is pretty very dicey to use that as a form of contraception. But because some men will be like, oh no, they can't have to use a condom with their wife, or some women will be like they don't feel comfortable using for their husbands using a condom on them as a form of contraception. Please, while you're on withdrawal methods, try and play safe, because it's not easy. Like it's a whole lot to be able to do that for the man. So if he's been doing has been going on well, good for you. But please, even while at it, try to have a plan B, so that just in case on some days that the discipline might fail him, or it just didn't go as planned, you have a backup plan to be able to bypass the unwanted pregnancy which might occur. So do well to do this. And another thing there is that withdrawal method 2 is a form of contraception, quite alright, but it's like the least effective. So it's not really something to speak so much about its effectiveness, because it's not as effective as that. So please do well to have a plan B for yourself if you feel or you wish to make that your permanent kind of contraception. Always make sure you have a plan B, because we never know what could happen on some days. So that is my pretty much. If you are having or using the form of withdrawal as a means of contraception, ensure that just in case you want to go for 20 rounds, 10 rounds, that for every ejaculation you go and wash off. Ensure you urinate, because you are aware that the path where the sperm passes to be ejaculated is the same path that you urinate from. So ensure you to urinate before you go for your next round. So if you intend to go for 20 rounds, after each round, ensure to urinate, because that urination, your urine will act like a flushing to flush off any part of sperm or any sperm that might be in the urethra. Because if you do not urinate to flush off the sperm and you go back for your second round, you might actually impregnate your woman, and you will not say, this one did not work. That is because you did not urinate. So for every round, you ensure to urinate. And also, just in case if you have masturbated even before meeting your woman or having sexual intercourse with your woman, ensure to still urinate, because masturbation that has also made you get to a climax of ejaculating, it also the same thing. You still have to urinate before going to have sexual intercourse with your woman. Remember, after each ejaculation, ensure to urinate before going for your next round, whether after a sexual intercourse, whether after a masturbation. Ensure to do what? Ensure to urinate, so as to flush off any sperm that might still be deposited in the urethra before the next round. So I hope you do adhere to this and stay happy and create your happy place. Please, if you're not subscribed, ensure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and leave a comment in the comment section. If you have any question, please do so. And if you have any topic you still want me to talk about, I'll be glad to hear from you. Stay happy, and also always create your happy place. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you in my next video.